Arpaio back in court today facing contempt of court charges, and this is day 3 of proceedings. Arpaio is accused of deliberately violating a federal court order. ABC 15's Mary Ellen Resendez was in federal court today, and Mary Ellen, the sheriff's former attorney, I understand, testified. Did he know the order was allegedly being violated here?
You know, Katie, his former attorney, Tim Casey, was being very careful in court, very careful with what he said. What he said was that it was, in his opinion, that it may have possibly been violating when Sheriff Joe Arpaio transported some illegal immigrants to the border.
What I think we're seeing is an unraveling of the corruption that's taking place inside MCSO.
The court wrapped up with Sheriff Joe Arpaio's former attorney Tim Casey on the stand. Casey, under orders from federal court Judge Murray Snow, testified that he withdrew as Arpaio's attorney in part to the sheriff's actions after a federal court injunction. Attorneys pointed to an email sent to Arpaio.
And it was an email where Tim Casey had concerns that MCSO is going to be dragged into court and be accused of contempt of court. And he underlined it, he put it in bold, and he put it in, with urgency. And when he was asked, well, why did you feel that this was taking place? He expressed because he felt that the court's order was being violated.
Casey testified when he heard that Arpaio had implemented a backup plan to transport illegal immigrants straight to the border after ICE refused to take them. He told the sheriff it had to stop. But on the stand, he said the sheriff protested, saying that, quote, he was the sheriff and would make his own decisions. Casey told the court the sheriff was resistant.
Tim Casey, I think, needed to protect himself, and I think this is why he withdrew.
Now, earlier this morning, though, on the stand was Chief Deputy Jerry Sheridan. He's the sheriff's right-hand man. He was wrapping up testimony with attorneys. Judge Snow also asking him some questions in court today, basically in regard to these 1,500 IDs, some of the Mexican nationals that recently appeared. He asked Sheridan whether or not he felt that deputies may have been collecting these as, quote, trophies, in which Sheridan, after a long pause, admitted, yes, it appeared that way.
Yeah.
Katie?
Some interesting insight, to say the least, Mary Ellen. Thank you.